Consumer Products, Quick Start, CPG. Today, consumer products industry goal is to become more resilient and sustainable by obtaining instant insights in real time and act immediately, from anywhere, making the right decisions and automating repetitive tasks. However, this industry have been exposed to many challenges like machine maintenance, currently not captured as an end-to-end process up to capturing maintenance cost. Barcode process. Goods movement across supply chain is tracked by manual data entry, leading to human errors. Plant-to-plant optimization. Material availability across plants for better utilization of inventory is lacking, leading to dead stocks in one plant and production stoppages in other plants for want of same materials. SCARP, returns and claims. Currently not captured as an end-to-end process up to financial accounting. Secondary sales, tracking and visibility. Planning. Lack of integration between demands, forecasting, consumption-based planning. Procurement. RM purchase, RM stock monitoring and costing in KGS, quota-based packing materials procurement, costing, transportation, insurance, handling. Quality process. Inspection results are not captured in any system for vendor evaluation and rating. Manufacturing integration. Planning, costing, closed recipe, manufacturing losses, overheads etc., batch traceability, much capacity is available, booked and being consumed is not tracked. Subcontracting. Subcontracting process is not tracked and monitored end-to-end. Thus industry as such longs for optimization among demand, production and procurement, so that there is no dead investment throughout the supply chain. Apart from that, asset availability, lean inventory, on time are other aspirations of the industry. Desired results. Lean procurement and stocks tracking to exactly meet demand on time results into saving on investments, thus directly impacting profitability. That ensures customers having seamless experience of getting on-time deliveries at a very economical pricing. This can only be achieved by having a complete gamut of operations on a single digital platform, which can connect extended ecosystems of vendors, customers, employees and regulation authorities. ERP to SAP S/4HANA Cloud Private Edition, low cost, resources, efforts and timelines by using prepackaged software. Consumer packaged goods organizations assume such ERP system may be very costly, consumes vast resources and time. On the contrary, SAVIC, Quick Start CPG Rapid Deployment Solution for Consumer Packaged Goods, is deployed in less than 100 days, enabling organizations running on SAP S/4HANA Cloud Private Edition. Key benefits and solution functions. Key benefits include 100% stock tracking along supply chain, 20 daily dispatch quantity increase, 100% improved information, 100% increased synchronization. Financial and management reporting through single system by implementing S/4HANA financials, controlling with profitability analysis, materials management, sales and distribution, production planning, quality management. SAVIC One-Piece Flow Lean Delivery Model. The SAVIC One-Piece Flow is a delivery model that aims to provide a seamless flow which starts with the engagement team and ends with a handover to the delivery team. This model consists of 9 steps. Customer win order. Customer and VP delivery, PMO, RMO. Customer onboarding. Delivery team onboarding. Project execution, monitoring and audit. Project closure. CSAT, Customer Satisfaction Survey. BTS, Business Transformation Study. Continuous improvements. Why SAVIC? SAVIC is a global system integrator, offering a unique engagement model to help our customers simplify their business processes to enable the achievement of business objectives. With a rich experience in technology and business consulting, we identify innovative digital transformation initiatives to facilitate growth. We implement and sustain them with state-of-the-art delivery model to facilitate easy adoption and highly scalable digital environment. Please visit our website to understand more on how SAVIC Quick Start CPG can value add your consumer packaged goods business digital transformation for a multifold growth.